So now let's start with some of the examples. First example is write the next three natural numbers after 10,999. So what we will do is we will draw the number line which will be having 10,999 and so on some numbers, right? Our number is 10,999, right? What we need? We need the next three natural numbers. What will be the next three natural numbers? 1, 2, 3. It means 11,000, 11,001, 11,002. So these are our next three natural numbers after 10,999, right? Second example. What are the three whole numbers occurring just before 10,001? Again, what we will do is we will draw the number line which will be having 10,001 and some numbers before that and some after that, right? What we need is we need three whole numbers occurring just before. Before means the numbers which are towards the left side, right? This is a number, right? 10,001, right? We need the previous three numbers, right? That come before 10,001. So they will be 10,000, 9,999 and 9,998. Okay. Now the next is the smallest whole number. So we all know the whole number start from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what will be the least whole number? 0, right? 0. Okay. Now the fourth question. How many whole numbers are there between 32 and 53? Now again we will draw the number line which will be containing the numbers 32 and 53, right? Now after drawing this number line, we will count the numbers between the number 32 and the number 53. Okay. Here point to be noted is we will not count the number 32 and the number 53. We will only consider the numbers that are between these two numbers. Okay. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Right? So there are 20 numbers between 32 and 53. So our answer is 20. Right? So these are some of the examples related to natural numbers, whole numbers. Now let's have some more examples. Write the successor of the following. So we already discussed that to get a successor, what we will do is we add 1 to the number, right? So for this example, first mark the commas. So the number is 24,40,701, right? In order to get the successor of this number, we will simply add 1 to it. What we will get is 24,40,702, right? Now the next example, 1,199 plus 1, what do we get? 1,200, right? 10,99,999. Now here what we will do is add 1 to it, right? Now what will be the answer? 11 lakh, right? Now the next, here also we'll add 1 and we'll get our answer 23 lakh 45,600 71. Okay. Now coming to the next question. Write the predecessor of. In order to get the predecessor, what we do? We subtract 1, right? Subtracting 1 from our first example 94, what we get? 93, right? Now the next example is 10,000. 10,000 minus 1 is what? 9,999. Okay. Next example, 2,08,090 minus 1 we get 2,08,089. Okay. Now the final example, 76,54,321 minus 1, 76,54,320. Okay. Now let's take this another example. In this example, we have to determine two things. First is we have to get to know that on the number line, which whole number is on the left side of the other out of the two numbers which are provided to us, right? And the second thing is we have to write the appropriate sign, whether the number is less than or greater than, and we have to write the symbol, one of these symbols accordingly, right? So let's start with our first example. So before that, first let's draw one number line, a small number line, right? Now from this number line we have already discussed that all the numbers which are to the left on the number line, they are smaller, and the numbers which are on the right, they are larger numbers, right? So in these examples what we are going to do is, first we will know out of these two numbers which one is the smaller one. First number is 530, right? And the second is 503. So which one is smaller? 503, right? So if 503 is small, then where will it exist? Whether on the left side or right side? Right side or left side? 503 is small, so it will exist on the left side, right? Left. So the other number will be on the right. Okay. So in the next example, 370 and 307. Which one is smaller? 307, right? So it will exist on the left side. Left side, right? 307 on the left and 370 on the right side of the number line. Next example, 98,765 and 56,789. So 56,000 is smaller. So the smaller number will be on the left and the other number will be on right. Let's come to next example. First number is 98,30,415, right? The other is 1,23,001. Which one is smaller? 98 lakh is smaller, right? So the smaller number will be on left and the other one on right. So our first part is complete. Now we have to give an appropriate sign as well, right? Which sign will come in between these? So out of 530 and 503, which number is larger? This one is larger, 530. So the number which is larger will keep the mouth of the angle open towards that number. This is just a small trick to remember, right? The number whichever is larger will keep the mouth open towards that number, right? In the next example, 370 and 307. 370 is larger, will keep the mouth open towards 370. Okay. In the next example, 98,000 and 56,000. This one is larger. Again, mouth open towards the larger number. In the last example, this is 1 crore 23,001. This is 98 lakh 30,415. So which will be the larger number? This one. So we will keep the mouth open towards this number. So this way both the parts are complete.